Now you can easily offer recurring subscription product discounts on your WooCommerce store using EchoRewards.
This feature works only if you have the WooCommerce Subscriptions plugin installed, so make sure that's set up first. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard, head to the Plugins section, and click Add New. Search for EchoRewards, then install and activate the plugin. Since this is a Pro feature, you'll also need to activate the Pro version to access it. Once everything's active, go to EchoRewards and click on Reward Settings. Under the reward type, choose either recurring product discount or recurring product percentage discount, depending on how you want to offer the reward. Set the recurring discount amount or percentage that should apply to subscription payments. If you want more control over how often the discount can be used, enable the option that says Limit the Reward Coupon Usage. This lets you cap the number of times a customer can benefit from a discount. After saving your changes, you're all set. Now, whenever a customer purchases a product with a monthly or recurring billing option, they can apply the reward coupon during checkout to receive a recurring discount, making your offers more attractive and rewarding. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.